In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications in Microsoft Teams. Turning off notifications can help you focus and reduce distractions, whether you're working from home or the office. Let's go step by step so you have all the tools you need to manage your notifications just the way you like. First, sign in to your Microsoft Teams account by opening the app or website on your desktop. Enter your login credentials and hit the sign in button. It's important to sign in correctly because this is where we'll start customizing your notifications. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see three little dots, often called the More Options menu. Click on these dots. This menu is incredibly helpful because it houses many settings that allow you to tailor your Teams experience. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Don't be overwhelmed by all the options. We'll focus on just a few key ones. Settings is where all your preferences can be managed, allowing you to decide exactly how you want to interact with Teams. Inside the Settings menu, navigate to Notifications and Activity. This section is crucial for controlling the types of alerts you receive. Teams can send quite a few notifications, which is great for staying informed, but it can also be distracting. Here you can adjust everything to suit your needs. Once you're in Notifications and Activity, you can tweak things to your liking. Want to mute certain conversations or all notifications? Prefer some alerts over others? Simply select or deselect the options Teams provides. You can turn off sound alerts or stop push notifications from appearing on your screen. By the time you're done, you'll have a notification setup that aligns perfectly with how you want to receive updates, keeping you informed without interrupting your focus or workflow. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully tailored your Microsoft Teams notifications to maintain a productive environment while staying in the loop on your own terms. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you next time.